Hi, my name's Matthew and I'm the digital librarian here at the Midland County Public Libraries. This is a Merge cube. It's a foam cube with some code signs on each side that allow it to transform into different shapes straight from your camera. You might know what virtual reality is. Augmented reality doesn't change your surroundings like virtual reality does. Instead, it adds objects and sometimes even instructions to what you can see through your screen. So I have a foam cube, but I also have a paper cube. You can print the template for this cube at mergecube.com/paper. You'll need a pair of scissors, a glue stick, if you have it, some double-sided tape works just as well, and some sturdy paper like cardstock for the template. For the novice crafters, it's a good idea to have a parent or guardian, a teacher, or an older sibling, someone to help you out with the scissors. First, cut out the template around all the edges following the dotted line. Once you have that done, keep the color side facing up and spread your glue stick on each of the flaps, or if you have it, use the double-sided tape. Fold the sides of the cube up, sticking each of the flaps on the back of the squares, and this will keep your cube in its shape. On your smartphone or tablet or any AR-capable device, go to your app store and download the Merge Explorer app and the Merge Object Viewer app.